One corrupted PST file can instantly lock you out of years of emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments. If you've ever opened Microsoft Outlook and seen a message like, "cannot open your default email folders," or "the file.pst is not a personal folders file," you know how frustrating that could be. But before you assume your mailbox data is gone, there is good news. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to repair a corrupt PST file online, preview the repaired mailbox folder structure before downloading the repaired PST file, and get back into your Outlook data in just a few simple steps. Most users try Microsoft's built-in inbox repair tool, ScanPST.exe, first. For minor PST issues, it can help. But when a PST file becomes severely corrupted, grows too large, or is affected by disk errors, ScanPST often falls short. In some cases, Outlook still can't access the file after repair, or important mailbox items remain unavailable. It also doesn't provide a detailed preview of the mailbox folder structure before repair. That's when you need a more advanced PST repair solution. That's where Stellar Online PST Repair comes in. It's a secure, browser-based solution designed to repair corrupt Outlook PST files quickly and easily. No Outlook installation required. No software downloads needed. The service repairs PST files affected by common corruption issues, including Outlook crashes, header corruption, disk errors, malware infections, oversized PST files, and more. Simply sign in, upload your PST file, start the repair process, preview the results, and download the repaired file. It's that simple. To get started, visit repair.stellarinfo.com/Outlook and click Repair PST File. A quick sign-in screen appears. You can sign in instantly with your Google account, one click and you're in. Or enter your email address and password and click Sign in with email. Don't have an account yet? Simply click Sign up at the bottom. With the free plan, you can repair one PST file up to 500 megabytes at no cost, and no credit card is required. The repair process is simple and takes just 3 steps. Step 1, upload your corrupt PST file. Your file is processed in a secure, fully automated environment with no human touch points. Step 2, click Start Repair. The service scans the PST file, identifies the corruption, and automatically repairs the file structure. Repair time may vary depending on the file size and the severity of corruption. Step 3, preview and download. Once the repair is complete, preview the recovered folder structure and mailbox item counts directly in your browser to verify everything is intact. Then click Download and save the repaired PST file to your computer. For best practice, save it in a different location from the original file. When working with mailbox data, security matters. Your PST file is processed in a secure, fully automated environment with no human interaction at any stage of the repair process. For free plan users, repaired files remain available for download for 24 hours before being permanently deleted from Stellar's servers. Premium plan users receive 48 hours of download availability before automatic deletion. This helps keep the entire repair process secure and private. Stellar offers multiple options depending on your file size and repair requirements. The free plan repairs one PST file up to 500 megabytes and includes 24 hours to download the repaired file. The premium plan repairs PST files up to 5 gigabytes for $29.99 per file and provides 48 hours to download the repaired file. For very large, severely corrupted, or business-critical PST files, Stellar Repair for Outlook desktop software supports multiple PST files with no file size limitations, while keeping all processing on your own machine. Once your repaired PST file has been downloaded, importing it back into Outlook takes only a few clicks. Go to File, then Open and Export, then Import, Export. Select Import from another program or file, choose Outlook Data File, .pst, browse to your repaired PST file, and click Finish. Your emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and other mailbox items are accessible again, with the original folder structure preserved. Visit repair.stellarinfo.com/Outlook today and repair one PST file up to 500 megabytes for free.